with the Sputnik V vaccine. Sputnik Light is the first component, recombinant human adenovirus serotype number 26 of Sputnik V vaccine, the world's first registered vaccine against coronavirus. The single dose Sputnik Light vaccine demonstrated 79.4% efficacy according to analyzed data taken from 28 days after the injection was administered as part of Russia's mass vaccination program between 5th December 2020 and 15th April 2021. An efficacy level of almost 80% is higher than that of many two-dose vaccines. Sputnik Light was proven effective against all new strains of coronavirus as demonstrated by the Gamaleya Center during laboratory tests. Phase 1 or 2 of the safety and immunogenicity study of the Sputnik Light vaccine has demonstrated that Sputnik Light can elicit the development of antigen-specific IgG antibodies in 96.9% of individuals on the 28th day after vaccination. The Sputnik Light vaccine elicits the development of virus-neutralizing antibodies in 91.67% of individuals on the 28th day post-immunization. Cellular immune response against the S protein of SARS-CoV-2 develops in 100% of volunteers on the 10th day. The immunization of individuals with pre-existing immunity against SARS-CoV-2 with Sputnik Light can elicit the increase of the level of antigen-specific IgG antibodies by more than 40x in 100% of subjects after 10 days of immunization. No serious adverse events were registered after vaccination with Sputnik Light. The two-dose Sputnik V vaccine remains the main vaccination tool. The safety and efficacy of Sputnik V vaccine. After the start of COVID-19 pandemic, Russian researchers extracted a fragment of genetic material from novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, which codes information about the structure of spike S protein, which forms the virus crown and is responsible for connection with human cells. They inserted into the familiar adenovirus vector for delivery into the human cell, creating the world's first COVID-19 vaccine. In order to ensure lasting immunity, Russian scientists came up with the breakthrough idea to use two different types of adenoviruses for the first and second dose vaccination, boosting the effect of vaccine. The use of human adenoviruses as vector is safe because these viruses, which cause the common cold, are not novel and have been around for thousands of years. Efficacy of Sputnik V against COVID-19 was reported at 91.6%. Sputnik V vaccine indication. The Russian Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine is indicated to build immunity to SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19 disease. It is to be used on citizens above 18 years. Sputnik V is available in a lyophilized form of the vaccine that significantly facilitates the logistics of its distribution in international markets due to simplified requirements for its storage temperature, that is +2 to 8 degrees Celsius. There is limited experience using Sputnik V vaccinations in pregnant women, so it should be avoided. And it is uncommon whether Sputnik V is excreted in human milk. It should be avoided. It is unknown whether individuals with impaired immune responsiveness, including individuals receiving immunosuppressant therapy, will elicit the same response as immunocompetent individuals with the vaccine regimen. Immunocompromised individuals may have a relatively weaker immune response to the vaccine regimen. Sputnik V should be given with caution to individuals with thrombocytopenia, any coagulation disorder, or persons on anticoagulation therapy, because bleeding or bruising may occur following an intramuscular administration in these individuals. Side effects. The common side effects seen are fatigue 70%, joint pain 46.4%, headache 64.7%, muscle ache 61.5%, chills 45.4%, fever 15.5%, nausea and vomiting 23%. However, on April 14, 2021, Russian Gamaleya Center announced a comprehensive analysis of adverse events during clinical trials and over the course of mass vaccinations with Sputnik V vaccine showed no case of cerebral venous sinus thrombosis. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.